Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. On our previous video, we covered the list of watch faces for our smart band, the Huawei Band 11. On this video, we are going to explore the custom watch faces or the custom dial. So if you are interested to see how the custom dial or custom watch faces work for our Huawei Band 11, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the Huawei Band 11 custom dial. To be able to change the custom dial, you have to set first the preloaded watch faces here to custom watch face. So let's change it, and as you can see, we have it here. Select, then add photo. Create a gallery watch face on your phone. You can scan this, or I guess you can go directly in the support app Huawei Health. So we have here the My Faces section. Let's see if we do have an option here. So we have the current gallery featured. So we have the gallery. Let's see if we can edit this one. Okay, then select images, select image. We'll select photos here, then select albums. We have here some photos. We'll pick this one, then check. Okay, we'll crop the image. Can we zoom in? Yes. Zoom in and zoom out. Check. And we have here the photo. Can change the color. Can we change the color of the text? Let's see. We'll pick this one. We can change also the font here. Time color. Yes, you can change it here. Raise to display new image. So every time that you lift your wrist, it will change to other photos. Let's add another one. Select image. Again, photo. Let's pick the albums here. Bluetooth. Then let's pick this one. Okay. Check. This one will do. Check. Then we'll pick the time again. And let's see. We already have two here. So steps, you can add your own data. Check. Can we add only one? Then data 2. We have the heart rate. Check. Then that's it. Okay, then save. Saving background, as you can see here, transferring image. In just a few seconds, we'll have our custom watch face, as you can see here. Saving background, 2 of 2. And we have here our custom watch face. Again, let's see. Does it change? And as you can see here, change. Turn off. I guess you have to turn off the screen first. Oh, you can also tap it to change. Aside from lifting your wrist, you can also tap on the screen to change the custom watch face. Okay, let's see if we do have other options. Time color again. Here are the options. You can add at least several images here, a maximum of 5. You can change the color, you can change the style. So we have several styles here. You can also change the font, the position of the time color, and you can also add some data. Okay, so that's the options for our custom watch faces. And here are the preloaded watch face, some of the preloaded watch face in our support app and the smart band. So we have several categories here. So this is the local watch faces, the preloaded. Okay, so that's it for our custom watch face or dial for the Huawei Band 11. If you have any questions regarding this demo, drop a comment below, and if you have requests, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.